Hey, what's up? And I'm back again with another aerial view of a beautiful lighthouse in Lobo, Batangas, here in the Philippines. And this is Malabrigo Lighthouse, also known as Faro de Punta de Malabrigo in Spanish. I hope I did not butcher those Spanish words. The construction for this lighthouse began in 1846 and they finished it in 1896. So this lighthouse is a centennial lighthouse. It's a historical lighthouse. It's beautiful, and I want you guys to see it, and I hope that you will enjoy it. So here it is. Alright, so that's Malabrigo Lighthouse. But if you want to practice your Spanish, it's Faro de Punta de Malabrigo. And I hope that you guys love it. And I hope that I made you wanna go visit it in the future. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so that I can see you next time. Thank you. Bye.